Wednesday today. It is Wednesday evening and it's a very exciting vlog, I would say. This is gonna be like just a few days, but tomorrow's my birthday. So yeah, my birthday tomorrow, and himself is off tomorrow and Friday. Tomorrow's Thursday, 27th of March, if you want to put that into your calendar for next year, just saying. But yeah, my birthday tomorrow. Himself's off tomorrow and Friday, and we're gonna have a nice day out tomorrow. Go for brunch in the morning, maybe have a little lovely day, and then do some more exploring on Friday. And I'm excited for it. So it's gonna be a little 48 hours probably of my life here in Sydney. My first ever birthday in Australia. Yeah, like it's not a big day. Like I've been here coming up to like 2 months exactly now. So yeah, I haven't got a big group of friends to go celebrate with. Just be me and himself like last time and the year before and the year before. But yeah, because we were looking this morning, like this time last year, we were in Sri Lanka and we were at the start of our travels. Little did we know that they would be lasting for a full 12 months. But yeah, we were in Sri Lanka this time last year for my birthday, and I remember this, I woke up in Negombo and I just had like the most perfect like me day in Negombo, and it was so special. And I really, really liked it. The year before that, we were in Las Vegas for my, did I say what age I am? I'm 28 tomorrow. 28. I don't want to say the word 30, but it is on the horizon. It is getting closer, but I am well into my like late 20s now. Yeah, 28 tomorrow. So 27 last year in Sri Lanka, the year before that in Las Vegas, the year before that in Paris, I think, and then the year before that was COVID, so we didn't go anywhere. Actually in 2020, like if you work it out, like it's March, and my birthday was 27th of March 2020, and it was like peak just sort of pandemic in New York City, and my whole apartment was on lockdown in isolation. My flatmate had COVID, I had COVID at the time, I just didn't know. And there's this tragic photo of my birthday in the hallway of my like apartment building, and my friends came and Steph came and gave me a birthday cake, and I sat in my doorway on the floor in my hall, and they sat along the hallway, and it's like one to remember for sure. And I'm so glad we have the photo to just look back at that and be like, what a time. So I have very much been making up for my birthdays ever since, as you can tell, jetting off. But yeah, first birthday in Australia, so excited to see what happens. And I was also saying to Steph this morning, like, I think we'll be here next year for my birthday, and we'll be living in Australia, I think, anyway. And it'll be like our second year visa, because we don't know if we're going to renew for a third year. So I was like, where am I going to be when I'm 30? No idea. Still renting, probably. No money to my name, maybe still unemployed. Who knows? But yeah, it's all very exciting anyway. But yeah, I wanted to like start the vlog off, and because it'll be a short one, and it's just a few days, it's evening here, so I thought maybe we could do like a little evening routine. Like there's not going to be much to it at all, but it's 7:30 in the evening now. I've been working all day on my laptop. I just uploaded a new vlog, so you know they come out every Wednesday. And yeah, I'm gonna make dinner. I'm gonna put some tan on tonight, make myself a bit colourful. I'm gonna do my hair because it was just washed this morning and it's frizzy as anything, so I'm gonna maybe straighten and curl my hair so I can sleep in it, and then I'll be ready for tomorrow and just have a little pamper night. Himself's obviously working, he's working till 11, so he'll be back later, and you can see what I get up to. I mean, I literally make dinner, I watch YouTube, I actually do some more work until like 9ish, and then I read from like 9 till midnight till he comes back. So I get a good 3 hours of reading, but I think I'll actually finish my book tonight. But yeah, I'll go make dinner now and I'll come back, and I might even put my pajamas on. I mean, I don't know why I waited this long. I'm usually in my pajamas by like 5 p.m, so who am I lying to? I'll see you in a second. Hello, we're back, and we've got pajamas on. The cushion headband, I don't know, also it's very tight. I've got like a strap underneath that like connects to this side from Primark, and it actually hurts on my head already. I have a banging head today as well, so that makes it worse. But yeah, I wanted to show you my dinner. My literally like jam-packed salad, like that is stacked. So what we have here is we have pasta salad from Coles. Basically it's pasta with coleslaw, I think. Some lettuce, some tomatoes, some pepper, some beetroot, some chicken schnitzel, because we are in Australia, we've been eating chicken schnitzel I don't know how long now, and some everything but the bagel seasoning, oh, and some barbecue sauce. So yeah, that is my huge, like it is so heavy, it's so jam-packed, like full, but it's full of mostly good stuff. That is my salad, my obsession currently, I would even say, because I have been eating that for, I would say, every time Steph goes to work for the last It's over 2 weeks now. I think it might even be 3 weeks. We have been eating the exact same thing and I am obsessed. Like when I put the first like spoonful in my mouth, I'm like, oh my god, this is so good. Why is this so good? But I am basically fixated. Like I'm a chicken schnitzel gal. Like, I mean, it takes 15 minutes in the air fryer. We've got an air fryer now. I'm an air fryer gal now too. 15 minutes in the air fryer and then salad, and that's it. So it's the easiest thing ever. It's the handiest thing. I don't know if it's the healthiest thing. Like, our chicken schnitzel's healthy. I'm not sure. Is the pasta salad healthy? I mean, we're having like 2 spoonfuls of pasta salad. It's like a little bit of coleslaw and a bit of pasta. Barbecue sauce probably isn't the healthiest, but I would say everything else is. I'm gonna go with everything else is. Like, I love beetroot. I love anything like vinegary, like drown me in vinegar. I love vinegar, and like soy sauce, all that kind of stuff. Like, just give me a bowl of vinegar, I'll drink it. So that's dinner. Then I'm gonna watch some Danielle Carolyn on YouTube, catch up with her and her New York vlogs because I'm obsessed. And yeah, I've got the candle lit as well. I'll spin it around. You can see my little corner, and I'm going to eat. Welcome back to more birthday prep, I suppose. I've baked tanned, and then I realised I had my like dinner dishes to wash, so I had to go wash those with fresh fake tan on and bring the washing in. So I don't know if I ruined my hands because I basically then washed it off and like just used the mitt, like the excess is on the mitt, to kind of pat that in. Who knows what it's gonna look like tomorrow, but I've been wanting to try this for so long. So I've had this in my, I brought this traveling with me like the whole 12 months. I never ever used it, but it's the Heatless Curls, and I'm really afraid to use them on my hair because my hair is like quite like frizzy, like it's naturally like thick. And well, if you watched my travel vlogs, or we haven't even got to that point yet in the travel vlogs from Asia, but hair loss was an issue basically, and my hair is naturally normally really thick and frizzy. So I feel like this might make my hair go like out to here when I wake up in the morning, but we're going to try and see. Unboxing. Grip, which is very stiff. Oh my god. Oh! And yeah, we also have instructions. This is literally just from Amazon. Like, I bought the first one I saw on Amazon, so it's like quite like silky. So we'll see how it goes. I am just so like, it's tomorrow, like tonight, the best time doing this? Probably not, but we'll go for it and see what happens, shall we? It says start with slightly damp hair. My hair is definitely not damp, it's dry. Okay, I don't know who this doll is, but we'll give it a go. It's got 2 scrunchies, and then the slurry. Okay. Put it here. I've got a lot of hair to work with here, so I don't know why I'm doing this on the internet, but should we like, oh, so stiff. Like that's not really on. Okay, maybe it is. Right, braid in it. I really don't know. I can't go like this. Like, does it all just go around? Like, oh, I did this really wrong. I must look crazy, surely. Right, I just know that I'm doing this so wrong. So we'll go for it. Alright, and then the last bit. Okay, we got most around, so we'll try that and see. I'm gonna sleep with these. Okay, it's lopsided. No, Steph's gonna come home and be like, what the hell have you done? Someone's telling me if this is wrong. Okay. Do the other side now. What if I just put it all around? Like, I think that's too much. She said braid it, which I don't get. Like, a braid's braid. Do you know what I mean? Like, I don't think it's like this. Like, is it? No. Ooh, what if we do this? Oh, that might work. Okay. Well, guys, I might have figured it out. No, look how insane I look. Oh, okay. Okay, got all here, and then okay, I think we figured it out. Okay, although this still could be wrong, but it looks better. I think it looks more the job than the other stuff. Okay, maybe I'll do the other side again. Yeah, I think so. Okay, this looks right. We got there in the end. God. Ah. Right, this side's coming out. I mean, both sides don't look the best, but this is just ridiculous. Try that again now that I think I have it. So a little bit over, and then a little bit more over. I mean, I could have watched a TikTok on this really, like, but I ain't got time for that. Okay, at least it's tighter. It's still, like I said, could be really wrong, but it feels tighter at least than the last time. Also, not all of my hair is falling out onto my legs. I actually do want to do like a bit of a vlog, sit down about hair loss, because I've experienced quite a bit of it in this past like 12 months. That's a topic for another day when I don't look like this. Please swept. I'm gonna say sure that I don't sleep with this in. That'll be, oh, maybe I do. No, I don't wanna. Like, I think this should be the vlog thumbnail. What do you think? I'm down to myself. Oh my god. Okay, let's like hope this is nice in the morning. I'm not even gonna put hairspray in it just in case something atrocious happens, but we'll see what happens. Heatless curlers, attempt 1.
Yes, I'm gonna have to be anyway. See you guys in the morning.
Good morning. It is my birthday, 28. I'm obviously like very tired. We're in the bathroom. I think this is the first time I've ever filmed in the bathroom, but if the lighting's not great enough, put the light on. We have like one window, but I kept them in all night, so we will see how they go. I'll take them out now. It's like 8:30, so it's been almost 12 hours that they're in. Nervous, but yeah, like, it was sleeping was like, it was okay. The start was a bit sore, and like not sore, but like just like uncomfortable. Like I wouldn't choose to sleep in these, you know what I mean? Let's go, grand reveal. Okay. I feel like these have done nothing. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Excuse me, what? Okay. So they do actually work. It's quite a nice curl as well. You done like a good job. But I kinda like it. Need to fix like my cow's leg, like that's not like first attempt. I'm gonna give myself some points, like okay. I like it. I'm gonna go and get back into bed. That's made me mocha this morning. I'm gonna read, I'm gonna open my birthday cards. I've got my mom and dad and then one myself. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. Have a chill morning and then let's spend my birthday together. So I've come down to the kitchen. And there's this from my flatmate. It's a cake. Oh, it smells so good. I don't know what it is, but it smells delicious.
Your cake.
Thank you. Oh. So we figured out it is carrot cake. It's carrot cake. A little card from my mom and dad. And Steph's trader inspired card. You say it out loud. You read it?
Splurky, blurky, blurky, yucky, yuck.
To you.
To you.
Okay, OOTD, birthday OOTD. I've got my yellow taxis on, LOL. My, what do they call it? Onitsuka Tigers. I've got my co-ord from Kmart, matching skirt. And then it's like oversized jacket thing, like dress-ish, so you hardly see the skirt, but I think it's cute. And then I'm gonna match it with my silver handbag. I have gold jewellery on, so it's a bit matchy-matchy, but it's all I have really. And yeah, the hair did not turn out well at all. It's also like lashing with rain, so yes, hello. It's been lashing with rain like all morning, so we're gonna go out now. It's like stopped raining. Go out for brunch. Go to room 10 it's called. So we've been to the sister restaurant Peanut across the street. It's in Potts Point, and gonna go see what it's like because apparently it's one of the nicest brunches in Sydney, room 10. So we're gonna go test that out. I mean, no idea what we're gonna do if it does keep raining until the theatre tonight. So we're going to see Hadestown tonight, and I've been wanting to see that for so long, so I'm very, very excited to see Hadestown. It's in Sydney until like April or May time, I think. So yeah, very, 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 very excited. And that's about it. That's the update. I don't know what we're doing today. We're gonna go, well, we went to go for like a walk with a coffee, like, you know, we love to do. Just wander and explore with a coffee in hand. But today the weather is just not giving, and I don't have an umbrella, I don't have a coat. So I'm just gonna have to get wet. I'm also on my period and I'm really cramping, and it's not a great day, like it's my birthday. But it is what it is. We're gonna get some brunch, some coffee, and then it'll be a brilliant day. I'll take some painkillers and we'll be fine. Maybe get an Aperol Spritz today because it's my birthday. Birthday Aperol Spritz. And yeah, that's today's plans, but like I need to go because it's late. And it's going to be dinner time by the time I get out of here, not brunch. So let's go have a fun birthday in Sydney. Free samples. Try again. Cheers.
Cheers. Happy birthday.